On September the 11th, the American definition of national security changed, and changed forever. A band of men entered our country under false pretenses in order to plan and execute murderous acts of war. Some entered the country several years in advance, others entered several months in advance. Once inside the United States, they were easily able to avoid contact with authorities and to violate the terms of their visas with impunity. And I believe that this is not only the right thing to do to protect America, but it is a fair way to assign the system based on what we understand to be national security concerns rather than other criteria.
That's weird. So don't point too close. Spouse's registration, not even a party, Democrat.
Well, I think that it's unnecessary, and I think it also creates problems not only for people in the Arab world. I think it also creates problems for law enforcement here at home. It's clearly discriminatory. A State Department official called me a week ago, calling it a nightmare. He said, in effect, we will end up with 3 lines at airports: American citizens, non-American citizens, and Arabs. The foreign policy consequences of that, I think, will be quite grave.
Well, we think they're un-American because
The terrorists gained another victory today. These steps are not only an affront to our values, they won't work. Wasting scarce law enforcement resources on hunting down, fingerprinting, and registering innocent Muslim and Arab immigrants and visitors to this country will divert federal agents from the task of investigating and preventing actual terrorist activity and arresting real terrorist suspects.
Law-abiding residents in this country and visitors should not be harassed, should not pay the price for the failure of the government to protect America from the terrorist attacks in September 11th. We should not scapegoat people because it looks okay for coming. The announcement that was made today
And again, thank you all for coming on such short notice. And